Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Elantra GT. The Hyundai Elantra GT is a beautiful hatchback with European style, plenty of cargo space, and a wide variety of technology top this vehicle off. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, battery saver, cruise control, power windows, cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.